In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download notebooks from Evernote Desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable export of your notes that you can store as a backup or use outside the app. Start by opening the Evernote Desktop app on your computer. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select Notebooks. This view shows every notebook in your account, making it easy to find exactly what you want to download. Click the notebook you want to export to open it. Take a second to confirm it's the correct one by glancing at the note count or skimming a couple of titles. Exporting the right notebook now saves you from repeating the process later. With the notebook open, move to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the More Options menu for the notebook you're viewing. From that menu, choose Export. This tells Evernote you want to create a file of the selected notebook. An export window will appear where you'll pick the format. Enex is the Evernote export format and is ideal if you want a proper backup or plan to import these notes back into Evernote or compatible tools later. Single web page creates an HTML version that's easy to open in any browser and share for viewing. Below the format, you'll see the option to export note attributes. Turn this on if you want details like tags and created or updated dates included in the file. Keeping attributes is helpful for maintaining context when you reference the notes outside Evernote. When your choices look good, click Export. You'll be prompted to choose a save location and file name. Pick a folder you'll remember, such as Documents, and use a clear name that includes the notebook title and today's date. Click Save to begin the export. For larger notebooks, give it a moment to finish and avoid closing the app while it's working. That's it. You've downloaded your Evernote notebook to your computer, ready for safekeeping, sharing, or future use.